those are in deep, muddy water. Look at that. That one right there. It's just that's a lot of water coming through that car. That car is going to be there for a little while. Wow. I don't see any. Do you see any emergency vehicles out here, like on Dillard at this point? I'm not seeing any from my perspective. Oh, okay. It's interesting seeing vehicles on Dillard that are coming up to the they're coming up to Dillard to the close point, and then they're turning around. Yeah, JB, if you could come a little bit more to a little bit more just to the right, you'll see that on Dillard, so that's where the